In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to set an offset in the 3504 controller. Using the page key, press the page key until access appears. Using the arrow key, select level 3. Enter the default passcode, number 3. Use the page key and advance to PV input. Press the scroll key several times until you come to offset. Here you can use a positive or negative offset. So by applying a positive 0.3, I can take the PV input from 19.7 to 20. If you wish to do a 2-point offset, we have a low point, a low offset, high point and high offset. Once you are complete, press the page key, back to access. You may wish to return to operator level 1. Select level 1 and your offset is complete.